inspired you to get involved in Car Lab?
So the internship that I got in my college senior year was working for an autonomous driving company. And during my internship, I tested their shuttle buses, I tested their airport cargo buses as well. And when I graduated, I moved to Michigan, and I was working for a tier 1 supplier that manufactured airbags and other car-related equipment, and that includes the GM Hands on Wheels. And then that was my second bit of autonomous driving. And at that point, I found out about Dr. Shi at Wayne State University, and that's what inspired me to join his lab and start working on autonomous vehicles.
And when I come to here, I found Professor Shi and toured the lab with William. And William is actually my academic brother to show me what they are working on and take me on the autonomous driving vehicles and drive by itself. And then he said, okay, we're gonna work on this car.
What inspired you to join Car Lab?
Oh yeah, because it's the most suitable place for me to pursue my research. Actually, because I'm interested in doing projects related to data science, and also combined to the drone computing, and the Car Lab can provide me many useful tools to continue to do my research. So that's the reason.
So a typical day, it starts around 9:30. So we just come to the lab, talk with my lab mates, then start on the most of the time, if it's a paper deadline, I'll focus on the paper part. If it's an ongoing project, we need to do some coding or those kind of things, we'll just focus on that part. And sometimes we have different collaborators, so we work outside organizations, so we have to participate those meetings.
So what inspired you to start here at the Car Lab?
Well, that's going to be a very long story for me. Working on the car is not about the hardware, the power, the battery. It's also about the algorithm, how to make the car run. So for me, I feel wow, that is exactly what I want to do.
So yeah, I think in the United States, there's only few labs that can have give you real platform and opportunities to work on the autonomous driving system and hardware. I was working on robotics, and I was trying to keep working on autonomous driving field. And then I see, well, the Car Lab is working on the real autonomous driving system, and they got the real hardware. So yeah, that's the main reason I chose Car Lab.
Well, the most important skill for me after I joined in this lab that I've learned is the ability to solve problems. Sometimes in doing researches, I may face with certain problems that seems unsolvable. There are two ways: either you conquer it, you face it directly, or you choose a way or go past it. I tried both ways. Sometimes the first one works out, sometimes the second one works out. It's not about which way is better than the other way. It's all about solving problems.
My favorite memory is, I think, two of the things. So the first one is finally getting a prototype demo ready to show with an actual autonomous vehicle. And then at that point, we can proudly tell anyone, not just within University of Delaware, but my friends, outside visitors, that we have a working level 4 autonomous vehicle. We're not what the industry or other people say that academia is too far away from the real life. We actually have a working autonomous vehicle that's just as good or maybe even better than the ones that companies are promoting outside. And I think the second best memory is just working with all of the lab mates. They've been great. They've been very supportive during this time, and yeah.